All right, I'm not quite sure when my laptop's going to give out, but here we go. So, surprise, surprise, I actually got it to work after, I don't know, about 6 hours today. Beat my head against the wall. Well, look. So I got to change that so it says the journalist's names, which it should have said Stewart. And you see it says draft right there. If I'll pull it over here, it should say reviewed. And then it didn't I need to like make it do a better job of adhering to what I said. But it was pulling not the things that I needed to pull. So I'm gonna have to keep messing with the prompt. But fortunately, since I did the good job of where is it, up here, messing around with these things, now I can adjust this as needed. So now I can go through and change this as I need it to, because I have this isn't calling the right thing. I just realized. Hold on, this isn't calling the right thing. Let's just use ChatGPT for this, because that should be hyphen in my backend code. Hold on, let's just go ahead and make it a project thing. In the backend code, I have a function to call an open API. There are, oops, I should put a period there. There are two files, prompt template JS and knowledge base. Oh, knowledge base. Yes. Want to make that they are talking to each other properly. Here is prompt template JS. Here is knowledge base JS. I have a feeling it's going to come back and say they're not talking to each other, because yeah, I'm so glad I noticed that. So that means that the knowledge base that it's pulling from doesn't exist, because it's lowercase right there. I'm pretty sure. I'm not positive, but it seems like they wouldn't talk to each other because of that. Okay. Okay. Well, how about this? I also have an index.js file supposed to bring them together. Okay. Okay, cool. It says that it's working together. I just wanted to check it. So I don't even really need that to be open any longer. Okay, cool. So, yeah, I just am not. I'm wondering if because this isn't actually tied to what I filled out as the company profile, that it didn't actually write it. I think it needs to be a little bit more relaxed. It shouldn't say keen. think it needs to focus way more on the person. So I need to like redo that. Okay, so anyways, so here is what we need to do to get the email, because I did not do that yet, and I should have done it by now, but I didn't. So here we are, about to get our face kicked in yet again from the code, because we need to pull in the Hunter API, Hunter IO API, and that's going to be fun. Okay, might not be too hard. Let's just go ahead and create this real quick. Wait, what was it? Hunter API.js. API.js. So we probably want to. Where's that article processor file? Is the article? Oh, wow. Processor JS file. To include the Hunter API call. See, where's the hyperbrowser file? Where's the browser JS file? So we'll put that in next. And then, yeah, we'll add that to the environment variables later. And, but right now, ready for it to finish up. So we're basically going to cascade this, which I don't particularly like, but it's easier to keep everything together. So then we'll let it do that. And then we'll take this right now. Whoa. Whoa. It's pulling a lot. Holy crap. Okay. Okay. Turn it from 84. Nope, that's the wrong one. Glad I caught that. Oh, that's a 400 line of code. So, and it increased it by quite a bit. Okay, so that's that. And then we'll go through and we're not going to do that quite yet. And we'll take the hyperbrowser file that it's going to build. And I'm not going to put the environment variables in quite yet, because I think I have to get the API's keys from Hunter, put them in my backend, then put them into Railway. I don't think I need to put them in the front end or Bolt. By the way, I got to figure out how to put Bolt into my GitHub. so that my GitHub and my um, so my front end and back end are in the same place. Right now they're in different places. Back end is in GitHub, front end is in Bolt. Need to change that so that I can make sure that they talk to each other, and I'm actually working on a product that will help with that. As you all see with Unravel, the next iteration of it is going to be wait. Wait. What? So I gave you the hyperbrowser file and you gave me another one of these? Why? But why didn't you give me the hyperbrowser file? Are you saying that it was good? Okay, I think it's saying that it's good. So let's go back here. We're at 5:30. 6:54 now. Great. It's way too many lines of code, but we'll take it because we didn't have to write it. Server.js. Okay. Server.js. Okay. I'm just gonna say like, here is my current server.js. Can you rewrite it for me to bring in Hunter API call? Okay, so while it writes that, I gotta go back up to basically make sure I didn't miss something, because this is where you start missing things. I don't think I did. I am gonna put the Hunter API key in later. Not right now though. And then I will. I don't need to add fields for email, but I still might tell it though. So I need to basically over here real quick. How do I get Supabase to do? Wow. How do I get Supabase to give me the schema of a table called journalists? This here. I'm gonna put this. Oh no, that's where I want to be. Put that there. Export in Markdown. Go over here. Here is the data table schema for schema for my computer's so slow it stopped this early. How early did it stop it? I got mostly to the end. I thought I already did this, so hopefully that's good. And you made the code talk to each other because I just gave it to you. Here's the database schema for the journalist table in Supabase. I feel I'm going to have to literally redo everything I just did in the server Yep. 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 I had a feeling I was going to need to write this all over again. How many times am I going to make this write the article processor.js file? How many times? This is the fourth time. Hopefully this is good. Is my index, or sorry, server.js, not again to be confused with the service.js, because if you confuse them, you're in a world of hurt. Jeez, that's so much longer than it was. It was 424. It's 300 lines of code more. Wow. That's not what I expected. So here's the article processor. Oh, it's still going. That means it's going to be way longer too. I feel like it's. Why is it being so robust? Verbose, I mean, and robust. Yep. I'm gonna. It's 11:50 at night, so I am probably going to. Are you saying I'm done? One message remaining until 3 a.m. Oh, that's cool. I don't even need that message. I'm done. I'm donezo. I think I'm probably gonna work on another product. And for that, I'll just use Gemini. I'll switch over. And that is the best part. So I pay $20 for this. I pay $20 to ChatGPT. And then, hold on one second. Is the index right? Oh, no. It had me rewrite this again. So where are we at now? 655? Okay. You shrunk me down a little bit. It's cool. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to stop this video right now.